Alright, so you just clicked on this video to get Photoshop for free. Well, let me tell you a big reason why you don't want to do that. Viruses! Literally, that's the only reason why you don't want to get that. You're going to get a virus or you're going to get sued. Anything, somebody finds out that, people hide stuff in files, everything. You don't want to get a cracked version or anything like that. Now that I have told you guys the reason why you guys don't want to do that, let's go ahead and get into a better solution. Alright, look, so the first thing you guys want to do, you guys want to go ahead and head over to your browser. My browser is Brave. You guys can go to Google, Internet Explorer, anything. This website is accessible to anything. You're just going to go ahead and look up photopea, and you're going to click on the first one right here. Now, if you guys never heard of photopea, it's literally, I don't know what to say. It's literally Photoshop. You guys can import in Photoshop templates. If you guys find like a tutorial on YouTube and they have a PSD file, you guys can import that into here. You guys can create new files. You guys are able to literally create thumbnails, edit your photography photos. You guys can do literally anything you guys want to do. Like, this is Photoshop, literally anything. Now let me go ahead and show you guys. Now this is just how you open up a layer. I'll show you guys the basic, just how it works. So you want to go up here, you want to click file, you want to click new, and you're going to get put in whatever settings you want to. Personally, let's say you were creating a YouTube thumbnail, you want to do 1920 by 1080, and you want to make sure that's the DPI is at 300, and you guys can name it literally anything you want to. I'm gonna name mine's tutorial, if I know how to spell that. Alright, now once you press create, you guys literally see this is pretty much what Photoshop looks like. Alright, so you guys literally have all the tools that you guys would literally have in Photoshop. You guys have the pen tool, the rectangle tool. You guys can literally create a rectangle and do anything that you will want to do. Alright, you guys literally have all the controls that you guys would have. You guys can literally just show the transfer controls, do it any way you guys would do in Photoshop. Literally create anything you guys want to. So in my opinion, this is the better decision than literally getting a off-brand version of Photoshop or a file that could lead to viruses or you getting sued later on. So this has been my video for you guys to keep you guys out of trouble. Make sure you guys drop a like if this was helpful. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this. Comment down below, and I'm out.
Please don't bite your tongue, I'm tryna hear what you saying. Come from the slum, so everything I say I mean, I ain't playing. No, I ain't done. My energy bringing me here, so I'm staying. It's on. Dedication gon' make my money long.